Hi, it's Trinity the Tuck, and we are on our way to the Out and Equal conference with Uber. Henry Cavill, if he picked me up in an Uber drive, I would definitely give him a big tip. Absolute ramen. And I Uber eated that. Is that a word? Uber eated? I used Uber Eats. Girl, I'm from Alabama, okay? It is what it is. I have a Christmas album and book coming out, which is called Trinity Ruins Christmas. This is the first you're hearing it. No one else knows. Usually it's an Uber. I'm literally taking an Uber from gig to gig for Pride. We have to be proud. You know, it's super important that you live your truth and that you live authentically, and you only get one life, so live it to the fullest.